Beautiful San Diego, California has one of the nation's largest light rail transit systems. The San Diego Trolley also lets you climb aboard for a trip back in time. An invitation to ride and relax. Painstakingly restored inside and out, this gal, old streetcar number 529, was built just after World War II. These days it clatters and clangs along the Silver Line tracks looping downtown. It's what's known as a PCC, President's Conference Committee streetcar. You see, back in the 1920s and 30s, the nation's trolley systems were losing popularity, with passengers flocking to buses and automobiles. So the presidents of the big transit systems across America teamed up to create a solution and to come up with a new, more appealing streetcar in hopes of luring those passengers back. The streamlined PCC cars were the end result, and thousands were built, including the one we're on today. 529 was built by the St. Louis Car Company in 1946, and it spent most of its life ferrying people around San Francisco, where it ran until 1982. She spent decades rusting away in storage, but the story wasn't over just yet. Brought to San Diego and restored and returned to the rails in 2011. Today it runs alongside the trolley's bigger modern-day trains. This isn't the only piece of history running along these tracks. As of 2020, there are 2 vintage PCCs operating on the system, with plans for 3 more. While this particular unit didn't originally operate in San Diego, it is painted up in the colors of the old San Diego Electric Railway, which did run some PCC cars between 1937 and 1949. And with a clang of a bell, we're off on another ride. She's a classy and sleek reminder of the way things used to be on the streets of San Diego.